It's a crispy, cold night in the town of Everyday. And Maya is excited because there's a Halloween fancy dress party.
Arr! I'm a pirate!
Hi, Sammy.
Boo!
Great ghost costume.
Very scary. Aw.
Oh dear, all Sammy wants to do is give someone a fright on Halloween and eat a cookie or two.
Everybody scored very highly.
Oh.
How will Miss Teach choose the best costume when they're all so good?
Boo!
Goodness me, this little ghost just gave me a fright.
This is Sammy. Hello.
Hello, Sammy. You know, I've never been given a fright before, but it's actually rather fun.
Well done. You scared Miss Teach. Yay!
And I think I'm ready to announce the winner of the scariest costume competition. The prize goes to Sammy Go for having the scariest costume and the best boo I've ever heard.
You did it, Sammy.